Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enhance the look of your wheel caps while preventing them from being stolen, like how I got mine stolen a couple weeks ago. So here's a tire valve kit that I got online. It comes in a bunch of different styles. I'll leave links in the description below, but mine is black and it has a Mercedes logo on it. And if you see right here, there's a hole on the side. And what you do is when you screw this onto your valve, you take one of these screws and use the included Allen wrench and you tighten that screw into that hole, and as soon as it tightens up, you won't be able to twist this off your valve, which basically gives you that anti-theft feature. This is really cool for summer wheels. If you live in a cold climate area like really bad winters with a lot of salt and rain and snow, I probably recommend you don't use this in the wintertime because there's a possibility this and this could seize onto your valve and prevent you from being able to put air into your tires without removing the actual valve stem itself, which really sucks. So I highly recommend, if it's for good climate and summer weather, use these. For the wintertime, just go with the cheap plastic ones and you should be good to go. Let's go put these on.